Hi guys, so there were a number of students who missed class today, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video for you. So you can see here we have the problem of the day, which says to choose as many correct answers as apply, and then you have 4 to the 5th power over 4 to the 7th power. Well, I remember the quotient rule, which says that a to the b over a to the c is equal to a to the b minus c. So what I'm able to do here is I'm able to do 4 to the 5th power minus 7, and I get 4 to the negative 2. And then I'm able to go check through and check here, and I can see, well, 4 squared, that's not it. That's a totally different number. That's 16. I want 4 to the negative 2. So that's one of my answers. Negative 4 to the negative 2, that's a different base. That's not my answer. 1/4, that's equal to 4 to the negative 1, so that's not my answer. 1 over 4 squared equals 4 to the negative 2, so that's one of my answers. And negative 1 over 4 squared, that's not one of my answers because my answer didn't have a negative sign in it. My base didn't have a negative sign in it. All right, so what are we going to do today? We are going to solve exponential expressions using the power rule. It's a new rule. We're going to get new independent work, so if you were absent today, make sure that you get that, although I think that it's in everybody's folders. All right, so here I have 3 squared to the power of 3. So if I expand that out, what I have is 3 squared times itself 3 times. And I can see what I have here is 3 to the 6th power. So I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's expand this one. So this one says 4 to the 5th power squared. So I'm going to have 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. And I'm going to multiply that by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many 4s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 to the 10th power. So what I'm noticing is that when I multiply these exponents, I'm going to end up with this expanded form. Same thing here. 5 times 2 gives me 10. 4 to the 5th times 2 gives me 4 to the 10th power. 3 to the 2 times 3 gives me 3 to the 6th power. So, oops, that didn't give it to me yet. All right, so how can I explain this idea in words? So, when an exponent is raised to a power, multiply the powers as an expression. A to the b to the c power equals a to the b times c. Okay. So here's a couple more examples, and I'm just going to apply the rule to make it easier for myself. Yes, I can expand it out, but I'm just going to apply the rule. So 5 to the negative 2 to the 4th power equals 5 to the negative 2 times 4 equals 5 to the negative 8, or 1 over 5 to the 8th power. 3 to the negative 3 to the 0 power equals 3 to the negative 3 times 0 equals 3 to the 0 equals 1, because any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. Negative 2, that's why those parentheses are there, to the 3rd power, parentheses around that, to the 4th power, equals my base of negative 2 to the 3rd power times 4 equals my base of negative 2 to the 12th power. All right, so I think that's it, and I'll see you guys later.